Back to work on the 68 Dart. Let's see right here, we're going to work on the C-pillar structure again, finish that up, and get ready for the package tray. See, I got one side finished, and there's the edge of the outer wheel house sitting in there. Shows where the old quarter was cut open for the slicks before. So I'll get to work on that and show the product at the end. All right, we're going to get back to cleaning this up and get ready to weld in this C-pillar structure. Got it all cut in the last video, and now I'm going to clean it up, get it clamped up, and start welding. There's one done. Not exactly perfect, but I'm not going to grind it down so I get into the metal. I'll give it a little finish when we get the quarter off on the outside as well. But it's good and solid now, so shake the whole car. That'll be a good structural tie-in. So one more thing. Get that one cut off and weld it in next. Alright, I am triple checking, and it's just, the biggest thing is the height. It's going to hit the top of the wheelhouse here. And all this template is just enough to get a thin new Sharpie line right on the inside of there and make sure I could see it. And that is as good as you're going to get within reason. There's a a little bit of move the flanges a little bit, but it's pretty darn close. Alright guys, here's the driver's side with the C-pillar structure all welded in, and that window regulator inner structure also finished with the wheel tub or wheelhouse sit in there. Seems to fit pretty well. Obviously that quarter's going to come off. Let's show you real quick on how much of that was actually cut off. So here's where the rocker gap is in there. Not too much, but enough to make a mess of things. And here's what it looks like without the wheelhouse in there. So we got this one all done. Seamed it right through here. Took a little bit of finesse in there, but we got it to fit well, and my template fits up in there real nice, so I think we're going to be in good shape. There's a little bit of adjustability on the flange anyway, but otherwise looking good. We'll move on to the package tray the next time. Well, with any luck, after spring break, which happens for us next week, and a little quick ski trip, we'll get back to work on this and get the package tray done next weekend or so. Another week, getting closer. Thanks for hanging out.